In this video, I'll show you how to create an epic in Jira. First, sign into your Jira account and open the project where you want to create the epic. Make sure you're working in a project that supports epics. Next, click Create at the top of the page. In the Issue Type field, select Epic. Then, enter a clear summary for your epic and fill in any additional fields, such as the description, assignee, or priority, if needed. After that, review the information to make sure everything is correct. An epic is typically used to group related tasks and stories, so choose a name that clearly describes the larger body of work. Once you're ready, click Create to save the epic. Your new epic will now appear in your project, and you can begin linking stories, tasks, or other issues to it as your work progresses. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an epic in Jira. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.